Hi everyone, this is Ashley Jones, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit a design using Perfect Embroidery Pro. I had a special request from someone to replace this window pane in this design with a different window pane. So I am using the DIME Small Town Charm design that is given out free every month. I'll put a link below the video where you can get that design. Now, I have the design open and I chose to use the C2S format. The C2S is the native to our Perfect Embroidery Pro and the easiest to edit. So now I'm going to ungroup the design. So if I click to select it here in the top, kind of toward the right, I can click my ungroup to make sure that I can select the separate pieces of the design. Now I'm going to go to another design. This is a design that I already own, and I want to use this window pane to replace the other window pane. So I'm going to select this design as well and also ungroup it. And I just have these two designs on two different tabs here at the very bottom. I've got them open on two separate pages. So now in this design, I'm going to locate the parts of the design that I want to replace. So I want to replace or to use the placement, the tack down, the stitching for the valance, and the window pane. So I'm going to select each of those by holding down my Control key. And then I'm going to copy those elements and go back to my original design, the Small Town Charm, and I'm going to paste them on this screen. So I'm going to click my paste option, and I'm going to group these together so I don't lose any parts of them. So now I want to place them in the correct stitching order. In this design, the Small Town Charm Flower Shop, I want to replace the just plain window pane. So I'm going to click that window pane here and just press the delete on my keyboard. And now I'm going to take this window pane here in the bottom that I've grouped together, and I'm going to move it up in the stitch order. So I'm going to click and hold and then drag that up to the top of the screen. So you can release it when you get to the top and then continue to drag it into place. So it should go right above the door handle. So I'm going to drop it right on top of this placement stitch here. And now I know it's in the correct order. I just need to put it in the place of the other window pane. So I'm going to slide that over here. And I'm going to zoom in so we can get it resized. So with your select tool, resize your window until it fits the area you need. So we want to make sure we cover this placement and tack down stitch. So I'll just raise that up and continue to adjust my size until I get it exactly like I want. And just a little bit more. Perfect. So that is how you can edit and replace pieces of your design. So just to verify, I would watch your stitch simulator to make sure that it stitches in the correct order. And that looks fantastic. So that's the remainder of the design. If you want to change the text, this is super simple when you're using the C2S file. I can simply locate here in my sequence view the text, and when I select the text, because it is in the text format, I can simply change the words and reapply. And then adjust to make it fit the sign. You can also change the font type if you'd like, and resize, rotate, whatever you'd like to do. So that is using your edit features in your Perfect Embroidery Pro. Hope you enjoyed this video.